Could you rewind and record over, please?
Stop. Didn't you just squirt the ketchup on yourself? I know I'm not tripping. Put it down, Dorian.
Good afternoon, officer. We're just taking my son, Dorian, here to his first week of college.
Up at the black school here?
Tennyson. Yes, sir.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Is that device recording? Turn off that camera now.
Why? She has the right to film.
Turn it off!
Hold on.
Mom, are you okay?
Where'd the cop go?
What cop? Oh, where you going? You folks have an emergency?
Yes, please, officer. My mom, she needs help. She needs to get to the hospital.
See how this portion of the vehicle is out on the highway? It needs to be moved right now.
My mom needs to find a hospital. The car.
Dorian! No! We gotta go.
I haven't finished eating yet.
Now.
Ms. Harrison, I need to see your driver's license, registration, and proof of ownership of that vehicle. Down what's in your hand.
It's a camera.
Ma'am?
This is my car. This is my car, and I am gonna drive my car out of this parking lot.
Better here.
Take me back. Take me back. My baby.
You okay?
Yes.
Nephew!
I think this camcorder is magic, and it rewinds time or something.
I believe you. Ain't nothing good ever come about in this country without us getting together. Let's take Dorian to school.
You three, stop where you are.
Stop! Hey! Stop right now!
Wind it, Mom.
Not this time, Dorian. We're all witnesses. You've crossed the line. Harassing us, abusing authority. You've been profiling us, targeting us, following us, shooting us, killing us. Not anymore. Now we cross the line. My son will cross that gate. So back the up.
Let's get out of here.
Go on, Dorian. Walk through that gate.